Hey friends, if you encounter the error SSL bad record MAC alert on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. So here's what you have to do. First of all, make sure that the version of Google Chrome that you have is not obsolete. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and click on about Google Chrome. Okay, it will update it on its own. The next solution is to disable unnecessary extensions. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and click on manage extensions. Now if you have any problematic extension like the VPN one, try disabling it and check if it helps. If yes, then remove it and then click on remove once again. The next solution is to reset Chrome. Okay, so open the Chrome browser in the Windows, to the Windows search bar. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select this option here for help, and then we will get an option to, okay, do one thing, go to settings and then go to reset settings. Click on the restore settings to the original defaults and select reset settings, and finally sync the date and time. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select date and time. Make sure that all these three switches are on. Click on sync now and make sure that you get a tick mark here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.